Okay, hello once again. Okay, after my previous video, some persons were asking how long does it take to get a name approval and get your business registered, and when the deadline actually closes. Okay, basically, if you have every of your details intact before you start the registration process, it will take you virtually 1 week to finish up. That's if you can get a hold of uh, your proprietors. That's if you have multiple proprietors. If you are the sole owner of the business, it will take you less time because the virtual like the announcement says all valid name reservations applications received before 2 p.m. on working days will receive response within 4 hours. This is very valid. They keep to that timing. They are very swift in response. I can attest to that. The users are encouraged to check their accounts and emails always. You regularly check your emails and you go to your dashboard and view, because if you have queries, okay, like I had two queries before my name was approved. Okay, it was virtually based on errors of omission of my part. Okay, so their notification process is top notch. Okay, so within 1 week you can have your name business registered and running. Okay, so and the reduction is for 50%. Okay, normally it's 10,000, but they slash it down to 5,000. Okay, just to help entrepreneurs. So okay, so it closes on 31st of March. Okay, these are access links to files. I will access link to files. Okay, you could if you need further guidelines, more like the frequently asked questions, you go to the frequently asked questions sections and have a view. Okay, I talked about accredited agents. Okay, these are persons or institutions accredited by the Corporate Affairs Commission to process and submit pre-incorporation and post-incorporation payments on behalf of individuals and businesses. Okay, so it's more like you could. It's more like MTN accrediting you to sell vouchers and all. Okay, so these are the persons that are specifically out to to help a business and individual register their business. So you could still go down on the frequently asked questions. Okay, you could have a view of yourself. So if you need further guidelines, feel free to drop your inquiries and comments, and we'll do well to assist. Okay, do have a nice day. I still remain Ezindo Stanley. These are my handles. To get in touch and let's do business. Okay, so do have a nice day. Thank you for watching.